everyone pencils down, back up your desk, please.
Right on my test.
It's okay. I really hope Anna passes.
Why Anna?
Because I cheated off her dog.
Of course.
That test, you guys?
Yeah, same.
I feel.
Yeah.
It was pretty easy for me.
Question 5's hard. Question 2 was pretty easy.
I studied, so all of them were hard. School's really hard. I'm really stressed about all the tests and the teachers. I wish I was less stressed. Meet you by the track before school.
Hi. I heard you're stressed. We have something that can help.
First time is free, but next time it's gonna cost me. The paper's bad. Where's all my money?
Well,
You got business? Yeah. They cool? Yeah.
You got the money?
Yep, and give me it. Okay, class, today we will be continuing to simplify expressions. Can anyone tell me what 3x squared plus 4x squared minus y is?
Excuse me, may I interrupt your class for a second?
Sure, be my guest.
Okay.
Sweep the servants.
Coughing.
Damage scan.
Jono.
Nose, please.
Well, if you have anything important to me, please let me know. Dismiss.
Yes! I'm out!
You two, stay.
Cool? So, anything interesting out of our school today? No. I saw a drug dealer.
Caleb, zip it. No one wants to hear it yapping.
Dad.
But nothing.
Kayla, are you okay? Yep, it's just a dry throat. Alright. Is it just me, or is Kayla been acting a little differently?
Yeah, I've been noticing that too.
Yeah, like she's really weird when Kayla brought up the drug deal.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's having more coughing.
Yeah. What do you think we should do?
I think I might know somebody who can help.
Alright.
Come in.
Hey, Red
Hey,
Boy.
Red Boy. Thanks for meeting with us.
Thank you.
What brings you here?
Red Boy, our daughter's been acting a little bit weird at dinner, and we were wondering if we could get your help.
She's been complaining about her mouth being dry. She's been coughing a lot more. And she's been acting really suspicious whenever drugs and vape are brought up. She's also, her room has been smelling like smoke, and we're very concerned about it.
What do you
Be vaping.
I
I've
fear the
had
possibility.
several patients before that have done vape and had the same symptoms.
Alright, do you think you can help us?
Yes.
Hello, Miss Getz here. Oh, Kayla, you've been called to the office.
Yeah, you in trouble!
You was in trouble.
Is there something wrong?
Yes, in fact there is. Do I have permission to check your bag?
Sure.
Just as we suspected.
That's not mine. I'll explain. It's nothing. It's nothing.
Then what is it?
It's Amelia's and Colin's.
I'm so stressed. Why were you stressed?
Because of school.
Vaping can damage your immune system. It can also damage your lungs and damage your developing brain. It can also shorten your lifespan. There are many other ways to deal with stress.
I was like, I'm not ready, I said.
Oh,
I feel like that's a fail.
wait, are you filming? Did you not hear what I said? 3, 2. Yeah. No, you forgot to wait. I forgot. So, anything interesting happening at school? No. I saw a drug deal going on.
Cape.
Is it just me, or is Kayla acting a little differently?
Yeah, I've been noticing that too.
Yeah, I feel like she was acting really weird when the drug deal was brought
Yeah,
up.
exactly.
Yeah, she's coughing a whole lot more than normal.
What do you think we should do?
I don't know. I think I know somebody I can help.
Okay. Let's get him.
Is it just me, or is Kayla been acting a little different?
Yeah, I've been noticing that. So, Red Boy, our daughter's been acting a little bit weird at dinner. And we wanted to get your help.
She's been doing, like, I'm gonna say, I'm sorry.
The director's supposed to be good at this.
Daddy.
I was
No
the
one wants
director.
to Okay, everybody quiet.
Okay, listen, alright. Practice. No, this is not practice. We have to say, see ya!